Lesson 336. Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined.
Hi there. Today, let's explore the transformative power of forgiveness. Have you ever considered that forgiveness can dispel the veil of illusions and allow us to access the profound truth about our oneness? Isn't that a revolutionary concept? Let's delve into the beautiful insights of Lesson 336 together.
Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined. Forgiveness is the means appointed for perception's ending. Knowledge is restored after perception first is changed, and then gives way entirely to what remains forever past its highest reach. For sights and sounds, at best, can serve but to recall the memory that lies beyond them all. Forgiveness sweeps away distortions, and opens the hidden altar to the truth. Its lilies shine into the mind, and call it to return and look within, to find what it has vainly sought without. For here, and only here, is peace of mind restored, for this the dwelling place of God Himself.
In quiet may forgiveness wipe away my dreams of separation and of sin. Then let me, Father, look within, and find your promise of my sinlessness is kept, your word remains unchanged within my mind, your love is still abiding in my heart.
In other words, A Course in Miracles draws a clear distinction between perception and knowledge. According to the Course, perception can be seen as the ego's interpretation of what our physical senses relay about the world we see, hear, touch, and so forth. Knowledge, on the other hand, refers to the spiritual truth of our oneness with God, a truth we can intuitively feel in our hearts to be true. As echoed throughout several previous lessons, we are continually faced with a choice between the world of perception and the world of knowledge. In each holy instant, it's the same decision we must make, to identify with our body or our true self, to listen to the ego or the Holy Spirit, to hold on to grievances or to be willing to forgive, to believe in separation or embrace oneness, to behold illusions or seek the reality beyond, to focus on our brother's guilt or their innocence, to choose attack or embrace defenselessness, conflict or miracles. One critical point worth noting is that this isn't a true duality. While it may seem like a choice between two equal realities, it's actually a choice between what is real and what is an illusion. The world we see is an illusion, a hallucination. On the other hand, the world of knowledge, rooted in the deeper spiritual truth of our oneness with God, represents the true reality. Today's lesson delves into how forgiveness fits into this picture. As you may have gathered from our previous lessons, forgiveness is not merely about releasing grudges or reconciling with others. It is a profound process that fundamentally alters our perception of the world and ourselves. Through forgiveness, we begin to look past the illusions that show us as separate entities. We start to recognize that, at a deeper level, our minds are interconnected. Forgiveness is the key to ending the mistaken perceptions that lead us to believe in separation, making us feel as though we are separated from each other and from God. It opens our minds and allows us to go beyond our senses to a realm of knowledge that transcends our usual perceptions. The distortions that blind us are lifted, revealing a sacred space within where true peace resides. We come to see conflicts as illusions, and recognize these illusions for what they truly are. Mere illusions. We recognize the sinlessness in ourselves and in all our brothers, and in doing so, we reconnect with the divine love that unites us all. Of course, this understanding is groundbreaking. It shifts our entire outlook on life. Imagine realizing that all our brothers are not separate entities with whom we are in conflict. Instead, they are companions in our spiritual journey towards love and peace. They are our teachers and saviors, united with us as the Holy Son of God. In them, our inner self abides and can be found. They are indeed our brothers.
Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined.
Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined.
Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined.
Isn't that just incredible? Can you imagine living constantly with this awareness, as beautifully expressed in this lesson? Continue with your practices morning and evening, and remind yourself of today's idea every hour throughout the day. Whenever you find yourself caught in the mindset of separation, take a moment to pause and gently remind yourself.
Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined.
You're doing great. See you tomorrow for another inspiring lesson. Just a quick reminder, we're currently exploring the section titled What is the Ego? If you haven't watched the introduction to this section, be sure to click on the video link that will appear on your screen shortly. Quick note before you go. Let's take a moment to appreciate the generosity of those who have supported these videos. It's their contributions that make these daily lessons possible. Please consider joining them. And thank you for being a part of this community of miracle workers.
There's a lot of love behind these videos. If you enjoyed what you watched, please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day.